everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install a prop shaft on a 2016 Polaris Scrambler 850. So this will go for, this will also work for so Polaris Scrambler 850 and 1000, also includes 1000S, very similar. And yeah, so I had to replace this because I had about 4,000 kilometers on my old one, and I started to hollow out, egg shape these out here. So yeah, so here we go. We're gonna install Get out of here, you fucking dog. Yeah, very easy. Let's see here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Slide it through there. You gotta oil that, or not oil, grease that up. Then you're gonna slide it through there. Just make sure you grease both ends so you don't have to worry about it later. Jack the bike up here. Okay, so I have to jack up the back of the bike here so I can get some freewheeling, good dealing. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to line up this hole here. Won't be able to do it with one hand, but so yeah, you got to line that hole here, there. Looks pretty good. Down one spline. There. Like a glove. Take this out. Clean up this pin. Hammer. Get that started. Get another heavy duty here. Line that up. spin it around. Take a look. Put that all back together. Let that pin run through. As you can see, make sure it's poking on the other side. And then get a small punch and punch in the center so it expands it out. So yeah, this will work on the 1000 and the 850 Scrambler and Sportsman, and it also works for like the 570 and the 1000S models, the Scrambler and the 1000S Sportsman. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure you grease this before you're done, just so it's a lot easier for you to remove when you need to. So yeah, so any questions, please comment in the comment section below, and subscribe if you could. That would be awesome. Doesn't cost anything, and don't forget to hit the bell so you know when there's another video come along. So talk to you guys later. Bodie, got anything to say? No? Bodie has nothing to say. Good luck. Hope this helped you and whoever, and we'll talk to you later. Ciao.